Okay, so you've got a keyless entry car and it won't start. So there's two main things you need to check. Number one, you have put your foot on the pedal before you press the start button. If your foot's not on the pedal and you press the start button, it won't start. But what will happen is you'll see this light on most cars, which means put your foot on the pedal. And number two, you are in park or neutral, and then it should start. So if you put your foot on the pedal and it doesn't start, look at your gear stick, and if it's not in neutral or park, then it won't start. So you need to put your foot on the pedal, put it into park or neutral, then go back to starting it. There you go. You're back on the road. Simple as that.